Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. I do appreciate you. And if you're just seeing my face for the first time, you haven't subscribed, why not consider subscribing? Let's be family. Okay guys, yes, I know it's been a while. Yes, life happens, and that was it. So over the period I was not uploading content, like I had burnout. And yes guys, talking about burnout, you guys know YC is not actually easy. And joining a playlist group where you have to drop 5 comments on one video, sometimes you don't even know what to write. You are going to write out of points. You guys know when I say it 3 as it is. So guys, I won't be putting too much this period. Maybe when they go back to school, then I'll work on it and I'll start putting more content. But for now, I'll just do it as it comes, and that will be it. So I won't be pushing it any further because my health should come first before every other thing. And then I advise those that if you know you can't really continue, instead of forcing it, just take break when you want to take break. There's no crime in taking breaks at all. And YT is just a personal journey. So that's it. So guys, today I'll be discussing, as usual. You guys know when I see some things that are very interesting, I do like to bring them to my platform and talk about it. I saw a video on Facebook that actually touched me in a certain way, and I said, okay, let me talk about it. They were like, guys, this pandemic that is going on, how is it treating you guys with the lockdown, with your toddlers at home, teenagers and all that? It's really been not easy, and it's not been easy, honestly. And I think it has gotten to a lot of people, like how are parents coping with this pandemic and all that. I really want us to talk about it, like especially with parents that have a special needs child. How are you guys coping? I know you guys are doing double, triple of this job, especially now and there is lockdown and schools are not in session, especially for those that are in kindergarten. They are practically be at home for 2nd week of December till now, and at the end of the day they might get to resume in May, which I really don't know. And it's kind of tiring. Okay, like saying one word 100 times, do this, do and do that, cleaning the house like 10 times a day, getting to sweep like you are going to win an award for sweeping the house. Like, it's really tiring. For me, I don't know about other mothers, but I think the period that the children are in school will actually give you some time to reflect and like relax a little. Unlike they've been at home in and out, there's no place to go, everywhere is locked down, and you can't take them out to the playground. They are just inside with you, and it's kind of hectic. And I felt a lot for parents with special needs, because it's really difficult. Like, I saw this video on Facebook where this mom had a special need child, and I think the woman got tired and she started developing mental illness, of which a lot of people did not know about, because mental illness is something that sometimes you don't get to see it on the face. It doesn't show like that. Sometimes it's just be eating them inside. Depression and others will set in, and because some of them are not willing to talk out, they'll just do some settings and it goes out of hand. So apparently this woman had a child with a special need, and the care level dropped. Yes, a lot of people are experiencing that right now. The care level dropped. The children don't go to school. I'm talking about those with special needs kids, and they are meant to stay with their special needs kids. And if you've seen a special needs child, you know they need more attention, love and all that. So coupled with parents that have other children, it's really a difficult time. And I'm sending you guys love and light out there. I pray that God strengthens all mother that is going through this phase. And so this woman, she had this child that I think the child was autistic and blind. Yes, so the child was also blind and a lot of other complications as well. So taking care of this child, because they withdrew some certain care from the woman, she actually buy the child, like horrible. Like, it has gotten to that point that she couldn't take it anymore. She said she wanted to help the child, that the child was suffering in this world, and she wanted to be a messiah for the child by taking the child's life, which was really pathetic. And she took the child's life. Going through the comment section, I saw a lot of people are abusing the woman, while a lot of people are saying mental illness is real, this that. A lot of people will not really understand, But if you've been in that shoes, the woman has lost her mind, taking care of this child alone and all that, and withdrawing help did not even help matters. I just pray that this whole pandemic should be over so that we can all return to our normal lives, honestly. People they cannot travel to the place where they want, they cannot explore anymore, like they cannot breathe. Yes, they can't breathe. So if you are there, either you have a special need child or not, if you need help, do not hesitate to call out for help. Call out for help, tell people you need help. Let them, even if some people are going to laugh at you, you are not ready to be a mother. Who do you want to? You want us to take care of your child for you and all that. If you need help, it's better you call for one instead of taking the child's life or your life over something that you don't have control over. Like, not everybody have the capacity to do certain things. Like some people there, they have their endurance level is very high. While some people, their endurance level is not high compared to others. So that's why we are humans. We differ in our various ways. So if you need help, I will tell you, don't hesitate to call for help. Ask people for help. Before you ask 10 to 20 people, you will definitely get one. Do not be ashamed. Do not be ashamed to talk about it. Do not be ashamed to get help. Don't refuse help. When some people, they want to help them, they'll say, no, I want to be a superwoman. I'm a superwoman. Superwoman to us as Africans, most times, we tend to look at it that if a woman suffers, that's when you become a superwoman. Like, you have to practically win an award for suffering before they will not crown you superwoman, which is not so nice. Like, for me, I've decided that I do not want to be that strong superwoman. So when I need help, I call out for help, and I do take my breaks in and out of YouTube because I need to get my sanity all together. Like today, you open Instagram, you're seeing different things going around the world. You open Facebook, you're watching news on your TV. It's all negative news. And sometimes you take too much of this negativity inside, and before you know it, you start acting that way. I don't know how to really put it now. So it's kind of affect you somehow if you're not careful, if you're the type that cannot control it. So when I observe that I'm getting close to that point, I'm seeing a lot of negativity, I prefer to shut down and come back later. So that was what I actually did. That's just what I want to encourage parents out there, especially mothers, those that stays with their children 24/7. Do something that you know that makes you happy. When your kids are sleeping, do something that you want to do, that you enjoy doing, at least for now, because by the time you take care of them, you shout all through the day. Some people practically shout their lungs out just to correct their kids, and at the end of the day, the kids also, they are bored staying at home. I know it's a difficult time for some people, not everyone. Some people can actually manage it very well. I'm not talking about those that can manage it very well. Please let us know in the comment section, how do you manage your kids at home? What did you engage them in? What do you do in your spare time? Is this pandemic getting to you, or has it gotten to you? How do you come out of it? Please leave it in the comment section so that other mothers can actually learn from your experience. Okay, that will really be nice, and I'll be glad to read your feedback on this issue, on this topic. Yes, I want a giveaway on JULIET HOME platform. She did a giveaway on our 1-year anniversary on our channel, and I actually got this as my prize. So I won. Yes, you guys know I always love winning. I mean, who doesn't like giveaway? I do. I'm a Nigerian. So guys, I want to say shout out also to Blue Jeans Network. It's an amazing supporter. He goes live every Wednesday 2 p.m. Europe time, and he do upload as well. Talks about relationship and how husbands should treat their wives and all that. It's so fun. How to communicate with your teenage children. I actually also won on his platform as well. Did a giveaway and also actually won some dollars. Okay, so I've been winning dollars on Blue Jeans Network, and I said, why not? Let me just tell you, thank you so much, Blue Jeans Network. I do appreciate you. And thanks to my big sis as well, Cobbs, and she's the wife of Blue Jeans and Blue Jeans Network. And go and support them. If you don't have them, what are you waiting for? If you're on this YT and you've not started supporting them, like seriously. So guys, I'll be opening this gift from my sister, the chef JULIET HOME, to see what she got, what I won actually from the giveaway that she did. I think that was about this gift arrived, I think 2 or 3 days later, and I haven't opened it. I've been tempted to open it, but I said no, let me just open it on camera so that everybody will get to see. Thank you so much, Juliet Home. I do appreciate you, sis. You're such an amazing person. Thank you for the love and the support. Guys, here is it. Wow, 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 wow. I can't wait to open it. Oh my goodness, guys. Here is it. This is black kettle. Yeah, thank you so much. And black is my favorite color. Yes, thank you so much, Juliet. Oh, you're such an amazing person. I do appreciate this. I so much appreciate this because I drink tea a lot, and this will be so useful in drinking tea. Though I have one before, but having something from a giveaway is perfect, and I love it. Thank you so much, Juliet. Shout out to you. I appreciate. So I'll just open it and see, guys, what is in. Let me show you guys. I know what was in already because I read it, and wow, this is so fine. Look at it, guys. Wow. It's so cute, so small and cute, guys. I like it. Thank you so much, Juliet. God bless you. I appreciate it. That will be all for today. And guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed, guys, like seriously, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button, put on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you will be among the first to be notified. Okay, guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye.